Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. In this channel, we celebrate the American automobiles of the 1950s. And right behind me, I have a 1952 Chevy Deluxe that I would like to let everybody know that we have it for sale. This car is beautiful, not only outside, but also inside. The bottom is like new. They did an amazing restoration on this car. So far, it is one of the best 1952 Chevys that we have had on this channel for sale. We have had many beautiful cars in excellent conditions, but this one from 1949 to 1954, I have to say, it's probably one of the best ones that we have had. We have had fleet lines, style lines, 2-door, hardtops, 4 doors. This one is beautiful. Back in 1952, Chevy offered many different type of styles and models for the Chevy Deluxe. So they had the Deluxe and they also had the Special. And among those two models, they had a style line and a fleet line. This one is the style line 2-door sedan. It's a 2-door with a longer roof, more space in the back. This car has been fully restored. All the chrome in the car is in excellent conditions, from the bumper guards to the high bar in the center to the bumper itself. All the chrome bezels around the lights are like new, including the paint, trunk emblem, and hood emblem. Glass is like new. Same thing with the gasket, the rubber seal around the glass. All the trim is in excellent conditions. This car belonged to a family, the last family that owned the car. As a matter of fact, it was always kept in the same family. This car was purchased new in 1952 by the same person that had it up until when he was 92 years old. I purchased the car from him directly, and he was telling me a very nice story that I would like to share with all of you guys. This person was born in 1934, and in 1952, when he was 19 years old, around there, he decided to buy this 52 Chevy. He was the original owner from the very first day that he purchased the car. In 1955, he got deployed to Vietnam. This person was part of the U.S. military, and he was sent to Vietnam as a war advisor. He came back to the United States in the 1960s. So he didn't drive this car from 1955 to 1960. 5 years, this car was kept in the garage exactly as he left it. He kept this car throughout the years as a symbol to what happened to him. He purchased a car, he got deployed, he left his family behind. And in beginning of 2000, he decided to give this car a full frame-off restoration. This car has been completely restored from the top to the bottom, the engine, the interior, including it has a new set of wide wall tires. We have this car for sale. If there's anybody interested in buying this car, I'm asking $25,500. This car is like new, and you can give me a call at 305-783-0755. As you can see, not only the driver's side is beautiful and in perfect conditions with no dents, no paint chips, no paint touch-ups, no rust, no bundle. This car it's a work of art. It has been preserved by the same family since it was purchased new more than 7 decades ago. Interior is new, using the original fabric. Take a look at the dash. You have your glove box. The original radio even works. You have the clock in the center of the dash. Your big steering wheel. Yes, the horn works. Same thing with the wipers and all of the gauges in the cluster. The carpet looks brand new also. Take a look at the door panels. Obviously, all of the windows roll up and down, and it has no cracked windows. I'm located in Miami, Florida, if this is your first time passing by the channel and you like classic cars, please consider subscribing. It's completely free. If you don't have a YouTube account, you can create one with an email and create a password, and you can subscribe to my channel. That way, every time that I upload a new video, you get notified and you can watch my videos on your phone, on your TV, and we continue to grow the channel. In 1952, Chevy had different styles, like I was mentioning before, the Fleet line and the Style line. This one is the Style line. All of the door handles are in excellent conditions. This car is powered by a 216 engine, 3-speed on the column. It shifts smooth, engine runs good, and underneath it's as nice as the rest of the car. The only thing that I had to do to this car was put a new fuel pump, because the fuel pump that it came with failed and it wasn't starting. So I replaced the fuel pump. At the beginning, I thought it was a clogged fuel line, but it was not. It was just a bad fuel pump, so I went and purchased a new one, replaced it with my dad, and the car is running like a champ. The front bumper is as nice as the back bumper, with the accessories on the corners, the center of the grille, the hood emblem, the light bezels, or the chrome around the headlights. So far, it's an amazing car. I really like it. I hate to sell it. This is the original 216 Chevy engine that came with the car. In a minute, I'm going to tell you how many miles the car has, for those of you guys that care about that. Still 6 volts with generator, carburetor cleaner, 6 volts battery. You have your spark plugs on this side of the engine with the coil, a new radiator. As you can see, the car speaks by itself. It's a very nice car. We're gonna start the car in a second, and we're also gonna take it for a drive. That way you guys can see how it runs. The car shows 90,218 miles. Steering wheel is in excellent conditions. If there's anybody watching this video from out of state, I want to let you guys know that I can also help you with transportation and shipping anywhere across the United States. Let me show you guys the trunk. The trunk is as nice as the rest of the car. You have the original spare tire, or the original rim in the original position, the original jack in the back, plastic carpet. Everybody wants to see the floors, always, as you can see, in good conditions, no rust, no signs of humidity. And this is the trunk lid. Very nice car. Again, if there's anybody interested in buying the car, please call me. My number is 305-783-0755. My name is William, and we're asking $25,500. This car not only looks amazing in videos, but it looks even better in person. I wish you guys were here in person so you could see the car. There's not one single negative thing about the car that I can show you. Let's go ahead and start the car. That way you can hear the engine running. These cars, you put the key in the center position, and then they also have a push start button. Everything works: gas gauge, battery, oil pressure, temperature, and obviously the speedometer. Horn also works, 6 volts. Listen to this engine, how nice it sounds. Even the motor mounts are new. Even that will replace. This is the voltage regulator and all of the engine components. Guys, thank you so much for watching these videos. Your support means a lot to me. Please give this video a like, leave a comment, share my videos with other friends and families or anyone that you think like these classic cars. Tell them to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free to subscribe. You don't have to pay anything. And it's nice because we continue to grow the channel. The bigger the channel, the more views we get. And that's how we continue to be motivated to upload more videos for you guys. All of the chrome in the car is in great conditions. All the stainless, the fender skirts, the tires, the brakes, the fuel lines, everything, you name it. There's not one single thing that I can tell you that is wrong with the car. Paint is beautiful. It even has the side mirrors on both sides. It doesn't have any overheating problems. It doesn't have any misfire problems. This car is ready to cruise. Let's go ahead and take it for a drive. And this video, I'm recording it on December 25th, Christmas Day. And I want to wish every single person watching this video a happy holidays. I also have a surprise for those followers, for those loyal followers that watch my videos all the way until the end. Many of you guys know that I have another 1952 Chevy Deluxe. It's same style as this one, but it's a little darker green, and it's not a two-door sedan like this one. It's a two-door coupe. I've decided that since I have this one and I have that other 52, I need to get rid of one of these two as soon as possible. I need to sell one of these two as soon as possible, and I would like to lower the price. That way, if one of you guys want to gift yourself a classic car before 2025 comes to an end, you can do so. So in a minute, I'm going to arrive to my house. I'm going to show you that car one more time in case you have not seen the video that I uploaded for you guys. It's also here on my channel. You can click videos and go watch that video. But I'm going to give you guys a new price on that car. I just got to my house, and this is the other Chevy that I was telling you guys that I have. It's the same car, same year, 1952, except that if you notice, this one has a longer trunk and a shorter window, a shorter roof. For this one, I'm gonna ask on this video $19,000. We're gonna drop the price to $19,000 on this Chevy Deluxe. If there's anybody interested in buying this one, give us a call. This one also has the original 216 engine. Same engine as the one that I just finished filming the video of. Interior is really nice. So if there's anybody interested in this one, for $19,000 you can have it. Again, give us a call, 305-783-0755. And this one is $25,500. That one is beautiful. That one is beautiful. I think if I sell this one, I might be keeping this one for a while, unless one of you guys buys it. I would love to sell both at the same time. So hopefully we can sell this one and this one before 2025 comes to an end. That would make me very happy. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you made it to the end. If you made it to the end, leave a comment letting me know that you made it to the end so that I can reply back to you. If we don't see each other again before 2025 comes to an end, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and thank you for your support. This year has been a success. We have had a lot of beautiful stories, a lot of classic cars in the channel, and hopefully next year is going to be even better and even bigger. Thank you so much for watching the video, and God bless you all.